becoming prepared all of a sudden.
Bryan!
Bryan's going for a swim. He's going the other side, is he?
He's going to try and go across. He's going to try and jump across that. He's a fucking idiot.
He's going bye-byes. Now people are laughing at us.
Juice? What's juice mean?
What's the shoes?
This is so good, sir. There's Andrew.
Here he is.
There we go. We've got
Bryan! Bryan!
Got a bit of a run up. We can't see Bryan here in the distance, but that's pretty much what he's trying to
There's no
here,
fucking way he's going to jump across.
Which is a massive little undertaking.
There's no way.
There is absolutely no way. He's going to... There he is. This is the run up. This is the run up.
Here we go.
Just a little bit of distance.
Ha ha ha!